Welcome back to Math A YouTube channel. Kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe sa channel na ito, please click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more updates. Our lesson for today is about systems of linear inequalities in two variables. The solutions of systems of linear inequalities in two variables are the points or set of ordered pairs that satisfies both inequalities. So dito sa ating example, meron tayong dalawang inequalities. So ito yung graph para sa ating unang inequality. So as you can see, meron tayong solid line at ito yung kanyang shaded part. So yung ating light pink. Yung isa naman ay itong solid line na to at ang kanyang shaded region or ang ating solution set ay itong color gray. Nag-overlap ang ating graph. So, nahati ang region into 4 parts. So, ito yung una, ito naman yung pangalawa, ito yung pangatlo, at ito yung pang-apat na region. So, ang solution set ng ating inequality ay yung part kung saan nag-overlap yung ating graph. So, yung part na merong pink na shade at meron ding gray na shade. So, ito yung solution set ng ating inequalities. Let us answer this activity. Graph the given inequalities and identify at least 3 points that belong to the solution set of the inequalities. So, ang given natin ay 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 4 and x minus 4y is less than to 8. So, pwede niyong panoorin ang nauna nating na-upload na video about graph of linear inequalities in two variables. Okay, so unahin natin yung inequality 1, which is 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. So una, papalitan lang natin ang inequality symbol ng equal sign. Kaya ito ay magiging 2x plus y is equal to 4. Next, igagraph natin ang ating linear equation at gamitin natin ngayon ang x and y intercept. Okay, so i-let natin ang x be equal to 0. So, sa ating linear equation, papalitan natin ang x ng 0. So, we have here 2 times 0 plus y is equal to 4. So, we now have here y equals 4. So, ang ating first ordered pair ay 0, 4. Next, i-let naman natin ang y be equal to 0. So, ang y ngayon, ang papalitan natin ng 0. Kaya ang ating equation ay magiging 2x plus 0 is equal to 4. So, kapag ito ay sinolve natin, so magkakaroon tayo ng 2x is equal to 4. Since ang x ay may numerical coefficient na 2, we have to divide the whole equation by 2. So, we have here 2x divided by 2 and 4 divided by 2. So, we have here x equals 2. So, ang ating second ordered pair ay 2, 0. Ito yung ating x-intercept. So, since meron na tayong x and y-intercept, pwede na nating i-plot ang points sa ating Cartesian plane. So, ang 0, 4 ay matatagpuan sa y-axis. So, we have here 0, 4. At ang 2, 0 naman ay nasa x-axis. So, 2, 0. Since meron na tayong 2 points, pwede na natin i-connect using a line. Pero anong line nga ba ang gagamitin natin? So, tingnan natin ang ating inequality symbol para sa inequality number 1. So, ang ginamit ay greater than or equal to symbol. Kaya ang gagamitin nating line ay solid line. So, na-connect na natin ang points using a solid line, kaya nagkaroon tayo ng 2 half planes. At this time, aalamin natin kung aling half plane ang dapat natin lagyan ng shade. So, kukuha tayo ng testing point. Gamitin natin ng origin as testing point, which is 0, 0. So, yung 0, 0, isa-substitute natin as value of x and y sa ating inequality. So, we have here 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. So, ito ay magiging 2 times 0 plus 0 is greater than or equal to 4. So, kapag sinolve natin, so meron tayong 0 is greater than or equal to 4. So, the question is, ito ba ay true or false? So, ang sagot ay false. Since ito ay false, ibig sabihin, ang ating testing point na 0, 0 is not a solution. So, ang 0, 0 ay makikita natin dito sa half plane na ito. So, kung ito ay false, the other half plane is true. Kaya itong half plane na to ang lalagyan natin ng shade. So, ito yung magiging solution set ng ating first linear inequality. Okay, so para sa inequality number 2, we have x minus 4y is less than to 8. So, palitan ang ating inequality symbol ng equal sign. So, magiging x minus 4y is equal to 8. Next, igagraph natin ang linear equation at gamitin ulit natin ang x and y intercept. So, let x be equal to 0. So, palitan ang x ng 0. So, magiging 0 minus 4y is equal to 8. So, we now have here negative 4y is equal to 8. Since ang y ay may numerical coefficient na negative 4, divide the whole equation by negative 4. So, negative 4y divided by negative 4 is equal to y, and then 8 divided by negative 4 is equal to negative 2. Okay. So, ang first ordered pair natin is 0, negative 2. So, ito yung tinatawag na y-intercept. Next, let y be equal to 0. This time, yung y naman ang papalitan natin ng 0. Kaya magiging x minus 4 times 0 is equal to 8. So, we have here x is equal to 8, since negative 4 times 0 is equal to 0. Kaya ang ating second ordered pair ay 8, 0. Ito yung tinatawag na x-intercept. So, i-plot natin ang points sa ating Cartesian plane, kung saan plinat din natin yung ating points dun sa ating linear inequality 1. Okay? So, we have here 0, negative 2, nasa y-axis. Ito yung first point. And then 8, 0 para sa ating x-intercept. So, ito yung second point. So, using these 2 points, i-connect natin using what kind of line? So, tingin tayo sa ating linear inequality symbol. Ang ginamit ay is less than 2. So, therefore, gagamit tayo ng broken line. Okay. So, take a look at this broken line. So, ito yung ating half planes. Okay? At ito naman yung isa pang half plane. So, meron tayong upper half plane at merong lower half plane. So, kuha tayo ng testing point, which is 0, 0, yung ating origin. At isubstitute natin to sa ating inequality na x minus 4y is less than to 8. So, ito ay magiging 0 minus 4 times 0 is less than to 8. So, by solving, we have here 0 is less than to 8. So, the question is this true or false? So, ang sagot ay true. Since this is true, ibig sabihin, ang ordered pair na 0, 0 is a solution. So, ibig sabihin, itong half plane or upper half plane na to, ito yung solution ng ating inequality number 2. So, ito yung lalagyan natin ng shade. So, gamitin natin ang pink para sa ating linear inequality 2. Okay. So, next step. So, tingnan natin ang ating graph. So, as you can see, nagkaroon ng overlapping sa ating graph. Ang ating region ay nahati sa 4. So, we have here this part. Okay? So, another one is this part. So, another region is this one. At ito pang isang ito. Okay, so we have here 4 regions. So, based sa 4 regions na yan, makikita natin na merong overlapping sa ating first linear inequality at second linear inequality. So, aling part yun? This one. Okay? So, ito ay merong pink na shade at meron ding gray na shade. So, ibig sabihin, dito tayo kukuha ng points that will satisfy to our inequalities. So, choose 1 point. Okay, so we have this point. This ordered pair is 5, 1. So, isa-substitute natin yung ordered pair na 5, 1 sa dalawang linear inequality. So, unahin natin yung 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. So, again, 5 as the value of x and then 1 as the value of y. So, we have here 2 times 5 plus 1 is greater than or equal to 4. So, solve natin. 2 times 5 is equal to 10 plus 1 is greater than or equal to 4. And 10 plus 1 is equal to 11 is greater than or equal to 4. Okay, so this statement is true. Next, para sa ating second linear inequality, we have x minus 4y is less than 2, 8. So, papalitan din natin ang x ng 5 at ang y ng 1. So, we have here 5 minus 4 times 1 is less than 8. So, by solving, we have 5 minus 4 is less than to 8. And 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. And then copy is less than to 8. So, this statement is also true. So, ibig sabihin, na-satisfy ng ating ordered pair na 5, 1 yung both inequalities. Okay, since isang point pa lang, kuha pa tayo ng other one. So, we have here this point which is 3, 4. So, substitute natin ang 3, 4 sa dalawang inequality. Unahin ang 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. So, we have here 2 times 3 plus 4 is greater than or equal to 4. So, by solving, we have here 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Copy plus 4 is greater than or equal to 4. And then 6 plus 4 is equal to 10 is greater than or equal to 4. So, this is also true. Next, i-substitute naman ang 3, 4 sa second inequality which is x minus 4y is less than to 8. So, we have here 3 minus 4 times 4 is less than to 8. So, 3 negative 4 times 4 is equal to negative 16 is less than to 8. And 3 minus 16 is equal to negative 13 is less than to 8. So, this is also true. Okay, last point. So, we have here 6, positive 3. So, 6, positive 3 is a substitute sa ating linear inequality na 2x plus y is greater than or equal to 4. So, 6 para sa value ng x at 3 naman para sa y. So, we have here 2 times 6 plus 3 is greater than or equal to 4. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. And And 12 plus 3 is equal to 15. So 15 is greater than or equal to 4. So this statement is true. Okay? So again, 6, 3 will be substituted to our second inequality, which is x minus 4y is less than to 8. So ang x will be replaced by 6, then copy minus 4, and y will be replaced by 3. And then copy is less than to 8. So let us solve. So 6, and then 4 times 3, so we have here 12, is less than to 8. And 6 minus 12 is equal to negative 6 is less than to 8. So this statement is true. So ibig sabihin, na-prove na natin using these 3 points that this region is the solution set of our inequalities. Okay, so let us have another example. Ang given natin ay 3x plus 4y is less than to 8 and 2x minus y is greater than or equal to 3. So using inequality 1, which is 3x plus 4y is less than to 8, so papalitan natin ang ating inequality symbol ng equal sign. So ito ay magiging 3x plus 4y is equal to 8. So next step ay i-graph natin ang linear equation. So para ma-graph natin to, this time gamitin naman natin ang slope-intercept form. So this will become 4y equals, ang 3x will be transposed, kaya ito ay magiging negative 3x plus 8. Okay? So divide the whole equation by 4 since ang y ay merong numerical coefficient na 4. So 4y divided by 4, so this will be equal to y, copy the equal sign, and then negative 3x over 4 is equal to negative 3 over 4x. And then 8 divided by 4 is equal to positive 2. Okay, since this is already in slope-intercept form, kunin natin ang slope. So the slope is equal to negative 3 over 4 at ang y-intercept naman is equal to 2. So i-plot natin ang ating y-intercept sa ating y-axis. So ito yung ating first point. So we have positive 2. Next, using the slope which is negative 3 over 4, ibig sabihin yan, we have 3 steps rise at 4 steps run. So from this point, move tayo 3 steps upward. 1, 2, 3. At 4 steps naman papunta sa kaliwa since the slope is negative. 1, 2, 3, 4. So ito yung ating second point. Since meron na tayong 2 points, pwede na nating i-connect using a line. At ang line na gagamitin natin ay broken line, since ang inequality symbol is less than symbol. Okay. Since meron na tayong line, pwede na tayong mag-test ng point para malaman natin kung aling part ang magkakaroon ng shade. So, gamitin nating testing point ang origin, which is 0, 0. So, i-substitute ang 0, 0 sa ating inequality na 3x plus 4y is less than to 8. So, ito ay magiging 3 times 0 plus 4 times 0 is less than to 8. So, the answer is 0 is less than to 8. So, this is true. So, since this is true, ang ibig sabihin niyan, ang testing point o ang ating origin, 0, 0 is a solution. Okay? So, balik tayo sa ating graph. So, ibig sabihin, kung ito ang ating origin, this half plane will be the solution set. Kaya, itong half plane na to ang magkakaroon ng shade. So, this will be our solution set para sa ating inequality number 1. Okay? Next, para sa ating inequality 2, we have 2x minus y is greater than or equal to 3. So again, palitan natin ang inequality symbol ng equal sign. Kaya ito ay magiging 2x minus y is equal to 3. So using slope-intercept form, ang ating equation ay magiging negative y is equal to transpose ang 2x, kaya ito ay magiging negative 2x plus 3. Since meron tayong negative as coefficient of y, so we have to multiply the whole equation by negative 1. So negative 1 times negative y equals negative 2x plus 3. So the answer is y is equal to 2x minus 3. So ito na yung ating slope-intercept form. So ang slope natin is equal to 2 at ang y-intercept is equal to negative 3. So balikan natin ang Cartesian plane kung saan grinaph natin ang ating unang inequality. So dito rin tayo magka-graph ng ating inequality number 2. So ang y-intercept is negative 3 andito sa ating y-axis. So ito yung first point. Next, using the slope which is 2, so rise tayo ng 2 steps at front tayo ng 1 step. So from this point, move tayo 2 steps upward, 1, 2, at 1 step papunta sa kanan since the slope is positive. So ito yung ating second point. So these 2 points will be connected using a line. So anong line ang gagamitin? So based sa inequality symbol, so ang symbol natin is greater than or equal to. So take note, pag merong symbol na is equal to, ibig sabihin, gagamit tayo ng solid line. Okay? So itetest naman natin. So ito yung ating dalawang half plane. This region and this one. Okay? So kuha tayo ulit ng testing point at gamitin natin para i-substitute sa ating inequality na 2x minus y is greater than or equal to 3. So gamitin ulit natin ang origin. So this will become 2 times 0 minus 0 is greater than or equal to 3. So we have here 0 is greater than or equal to 3. Is this true or false? The answer is false. Since this is false, ibig sabihin ang ating origin or the ordered pair 0, 0 is not a solution. So ibig sabihin, itong half plane na to ay hindi solution. So kung ito ay hindi solution, the other half plane will be the solution set. So this one will be shaded. Okay, so gumamit tayo ngayon ng pink na kulay para sa ating inequality number 2. Okay, so ito na yung ating graph. As you can see, nagkaroon ulit ng 4 na region. So this one, and then this region, another region is this one, at itong part na to. Okay, so we have here 4 regions. So sa 4 na region na ito, saan nagkaroon ng overlapping ang ating graph? So on this part. Okay? Sa part na to, dito nag-overlap yung shade na gray at yung shade na pink. Ibig sabihin, ito ang magiging solution set ng ating inequalities. Okay, so kuha tayo ng point on this region. So we have here 2, negative 3. So i-substitute natin ang 2, negative 3 sa ating dalawang linear inequalities. Para sa first linear inequality, we have 3x plus 4y is less than to 8. So, 2 will be substituted as the value of x, and then yung negative 3 naman para sa value ng y. Kaya ito ay magiging 3 times 2 plus 4 times negative 3 is less than to 8. So, isolve natin. We have 3 times 2 is equal to 6, and then 4 times negative 3 is equal to negative 12. And then copy is less than to 8. So 6 minus 12 is equal to negative 6, and then copy is less than to 8. So as you can see, this is true. Next, i-substitute naman natin ang ordered pair 2, negative 3 sa second inequality. So meron tayong 2x minus y is greater than or equal to 3. So, ito ay magiging 2 times 2 minus, we have here negative 3 is greater than or equal to 3. So, pag sinolve, we have 2 times 2 is equal to 4, and then negative times negative 3, so we have here positive 3. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, and then copy is greater than or equal to 3. So, this statement is also true. Ibig sabihin, na-satisfy nitong ordered pair na to yung ating inequalities. Okay, balik tayo sa ating graph at kumuha pa tayo ng isang point. Okay, so let us try 1, negative 5. So, ang 1, negative 5 will be substituted to 3x plus 4y is less than to 8. Ito ay magiging 3 times 1 plus 4 times negative 5 is less than to 8. So, let us solve. 3 times 1 is equal to 3, and 4 times negative 5 is equal to negative 20. So, 3 minus 20 is equal to negative 17, and then copy is less than to 8. So, this statement is true. Next, substitute naman natin sa ating second inequality, which is 2x minus y is greater than or equal to 3. This will become 2 times 1 minus and enclose negative 5, and then is greater than or equal to 3. So, we have here 2 times 1 is equal to 2, and then negative times negative 5 is equal to positive 5. 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, and 7 is greater than or equal to 3. So, this is also true. Next, kuha pa tayo ng isang point. So, let us solve 3, negative 4. Okay, so 3, negative 4 will be substituted to the linear inequalities. So, 3x plus 4y is less than to 8. So, ang x will be replaced by 3, and y will be replaced by negative 4. So, we have here 3 times 3 plus 4 times negative 4 is less than to 8. 3 times 3 is equal to 9, and then 4 times negative 4 is equal to negative 16. So, 9 minus 16 is equal to negative 7, and negative 7 is less than to 8. So, this is also true. And then lastly, substitute yung 3, negative 4 sa ating inequality na 2x minus y is greater than or equal to 3. So, magiging 2 times 3 minus, enclose, negative 4 in a parenthesis is greater than or equal to 3. So, 2 times 3 is equal to 6, and then negative times negative 4 will be equal to positive 4. So, 6 plus 4 is equal to 10, and 10 is greater than or equal to 3. So, this is also true. Since we already get 3 points dito sa ating region na to, we can now say that this region is the solution set of our inequalities. And that ends our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. I'm Teacher Grace. See you again next time. Bye!